everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute wet look on my natural hair. So starting off with fresh hair, all I'm doing is just pretty much pre-parting my hair. That way it's a little easier for me to work in sections when it comes to applying the gel. So I'm going to be taking my Wetline Xtreme gel and I'm working in really small sections. So starting in the back, I'm doing straight across parts, and before I go into styling, wet your hair. I like to make sure my hair is pretty hydrated, and then after that I do follow up with a tad bit of some leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Mielle leave-in conditioner, and just that small amount is all you need to use just to keep your hair hydrated, because I don't like just applying gel to my hair. I think that just screams breakage. So I am taking my brush and I'm just working that product in, and then once I got all the tangles out, I'm just going to apply the gel consistently throughout my hair until the very ends. Now I didn't stop there. After I applied the gel, I took my brush just to brush all that gel through. Then I took a really small teeth comb and then I just brushed that through. And then after that I took my brush, which is a boar bristle brush, and I brushed it through. Now a lot of you may be thinking, oh my gosh, that's a lot of manipulation just to get this cute wet look. And girl, yes it is. Are you mad? Now since my hair is super curly, like my curls tend to just bounce back, it does look like I am abusing my hair. I'm really not. It's just a process. Like, to really get this wet look, you really have to do a lot of brushing and combing, a lot of smoothing and detangling. So I don't know what y'all seen in other videos, but with this video, with my hair and my texture, I applied a gel, smooth it down with my hands, take a brush to brush that out, and trust me, it is not easy. And then after that I have to take a small really thin comb, like a rat tail comb, just to smooth out any extra kinks that I didn't get with the big brush. And then after that I do happen to go in with my boar bristle brush just to smooth all that down, and I repeat the whole process until my whole head is done. So I'm gonna let you guys continue to watch the rest of this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, I'm back. I lied. So I left out something that's very important. For every section you smooth down, make sure you pin it down. You can use a hair clip like I have. You can even use a barrette. Whatever you feel might work for you, just to kind of like pull some weight down on your hair, use it. That is going to help once this whole process is done. Now that I'm done smoothing everything down, I'm going to come back and show you guys the finished results. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave your girl a big thumbs up. Leave your lovely comments in the comment box below. And don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye!